This is Sham Star Hotel. Dito siya sa Pratunam and napakalapit niya lang sa Pratunam Market, sa Platinum Mall, and it's very affordable. Ganito nga pala yung itsura niya, and it's 4 a.m. Medyo late na kami and they allow to check us in. So it comes also with complimentary parang tea, coffee, and bread doon sa book namin. Guys, good morning, day 1. Here's my makeup and here's my OOTD. Naka-slipper lang ako. Hey guys, so ayan. Breakfast namin is bread and coffee lang.
Milky. Milk.
Guys, so we are waiting for our taxi kasi pupunta kami kay Auntie Needs at iinom kami ng milk tea. Ano ang mga foods nila here? Marami kayong options dito. Merong grilled tamago, may mga sweets sila. Guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Platinum Mall. Medyo marami palang mga foods dito. Napapalit kami ng pera dito sa Super 8. Hi guys, so super laki talaga nito. Tapos, pag masakit ulo mo.
Lagis.
Okay na tayo dyan?
Wala bang mas malaki dito?
Wala nang mas malaki ata dito. Yan na yung, that's the size, right?
Hey, chocolate! Congratulations!
Tara kain, bumili ka mangga dad. 100, Hi guys, so dito kami ngayon sa Platinum Mall para kumain. It's expensive, ha? So here's our food. This is pad thai. Hi guys, so here's our food. So di ba ang daming ano dito? Second floor, open air. Up. No. Babiyahe kami papuntang Kanchanaburi. My breakfast is bread and condensed, and then oval Guys, so we are going to the River Kwai Bridge. Ito yung River Kwai daw. Ito is part ng that railway na train. So this is free lang. Binigay siya ng tour namin. Hindi talaga siya dapat kasama. So marami daw namatay dito guys sa paggawa nito. This is the Rail Kwai Bridge. Connected siya dun sa Death Railway. Oops. Guys, so here's my outfit for today. Kasi magpapaligo kami ng elepante. All black ang fur. Dad. Ayan, Dad. Dad, videoan kita. Yan, isa pa. Dad, Dad.
Mommy, this one, baby.
Baby. Bebe.
Make sure I feed the mommy. Oh, you feel like this? And use machete. Wop.
Go dyan. Magtutubo yarn. Go.
You want to say? Okay. If somebody
Nagbayad yarn para sa... So naglalakad kami ngayon and ayun, may mga elepante doon. Nakakawala lang yung mga elepante dito. Ang saya. And ayan, maggagawa kami ng pagkain nila ngayon. Hi John! Wait. And then make the dough. Ayan, magpapaligo na kami na
picture with me.
Dad! Dad! Game na. You brush it. Yeah, thank you.
Brother, you want to come here? 包他哎牙卡牙卡嘞 Okay. It's Talawad Talo. Okay. Record.
One piece. One. Eat here. Eat here. Yes, yes. Guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Pratunam Market.
Bumili kaya ako
We got the goods.
Bigay ako kay Ryan.
Guys, look oh. Yan, tinamay. Ito, yun. Guys, so ngayon, it's 12 p.m. here. And signs of aging talaga na late ka na lalabas. So we're staying at Siam Star Hotel dito sa Pratunam. Guys, so we will try an insect. Yan! This one costs 50 baht. Guys, we are walking. Ayun yung what a kasi magta-Thai costume kami. So kakatapos lang namin magsuot ng Thai costume and we're drinking smoothie and then si Dad ay Coke. Kapong ka. Layo eh. Kasi ayoko na gumising. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Wat Pho. So, yung ticket niya is 300 baht kada isa or nasa 600 pesos. Ayan. So, medyo malaki. Ito yung, nandito yung malaking parang golden something. Ayan. Medyo maraming tao ngayon. Ayan siya, guys.
เองนะคะนอกจากนี้ค่ะวันนี้เราได้อัญเชิญเจ้าหน้าที่ตรงนี้ตรงเลยนะป้าการท่านเป็นเจ้าหน้าที่
Doon ang exit dada sa kabilang side. Ha? Guys, so we are now in Judge Fair. Okay, first order of business. Ikot tayo, Dad. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Judge Fair. Dito yung mga street foods and mga exotic na mga pagkain. So, let's ikot-ikot! Hindi, yan yung ano, yung shot. Squid shot. Oh, kain ka. Okay guys, so we'll try this lava. Harap. Harap. Okay, Dad, what's that? Scorpion. 150 baht.
300 pesos.
1, 2, 3, go.
Walang laman tong...
And then, okay guys, we will try the squid shot.
Squidward.
Squidward. We're gonna eat Squidward.
Pit. Bye. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then, it will die. I'm gonna eat.
Eat the head first.
Eat the head first. So we are trying the dancing shrimp. Lagyan nila ng onions, scallions, sugar, chili, nuts pala, MSG pala yun. And then this one is yung sauce nila. And I think it's lemon sauce. Yeah. Thank you. This is a dancing shrimp. Let's try. Oh, dito sa kabila. Si dancing shrimp siya kasi buhay pa siya, guys. Oh, look. Ay! Tumalon. Lagyan mo ka. Ano?
一斗100。
Excuse me. Sarap. Sarap siya.
It's good.
It's good.
Good.
Okay.
Anything else?
At nakakasama yung pagkain natin dyan. Tuk-tuk ride. It's our last day in Thailand. Sawadika. 1 PM na guys, nung lumabas kami. And nakakapagod talaga. Okay guys, so we will try the mango shake. Here's the mango shake. Tapos dito kami kakain ng noodles. Look guys, super sarap. Ang dami nagpapagrab. Okay, so ngayon is nandito kami sa Songwat Road. Tingin kami ng Tikimakit. This is bayabas. Hinog na. Nakakalulan. And I have this langka. Let's try langka.
Punkt ist, wo geht jetzt hier dem? Der ist was